First thing to do is to put on your gloves. Once you have them on, you're ready to begin your bleed. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and make sure that your brakes are straight and leveled. So right here, you're going to grab your 4mm Allen key. You're going to be turning both to make sure it's loose enough to pull up. Once it's pulled up in a flat position, you're ready to do the bleed. You're going to grab your star bit tool, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to remove this little bolt right here. Please do not remove any of the other bolts, since this can cause damage to your brake lever. Make sure to remove it by hand with no power tools. This can cause stripping. Make sure you place this little bolt somewhere secure. Next step will be grabbing your adapter. This adapter can be found in the brake bleed kit that you have. You're going to go ahead and screw on the correct one carefully and evenly. If you're detecting a lot of force in the beginning, make sure you go backwards, take it off, and realign it again to put it on. This should go on easy, as you can see. Once you have put your adapter on, you're going to go ahead and grab your bleeder cup, as shown here, and you're going to go ahead and screw it on carefully. Since this is plastic, you don't want to over tighten. This can cause the plastic to strip off completely. Nice and snug. Once you installed the cup on your brake lever, you're going to go ahead and grab your brake fluid as supplied in your brake kit. From there, you're going to go ahead and uncap it, and you're going to go ahead and dump some in the cup as so. A little bit is just enough. Once you are there, you can go ahead and pull on your brake lever, and you will start noticing bubbles starting to form from your brake lever. Once you notice these bubbles, this means that the air bubbles that are trapped inside your brake line are leaving the bike. You want to repeat this process until there's no more air bubbles as seen. Once you've pulled all the air bubbles out of the bike, you can go ahead and hold it and let go, just like so. So the vibrations can cause any air bubbles stuck within the line to rise up over into the brake lever reservoir. From there, it should come out of the bleed cup. Now that you got all the air bubbles out, you can go ahead and grab this little tool here. This is your seal. You're going to go ahead and seal the cup and remove it from its place. Please be aware that oil will come out of this area, and that is okay. That is just the extra oil that's in there. Once it has been removed, you can grab your little bolt and put it back into place. Make sure it is straight when going in. Not putting it all the way straight can cause stripping issues that is not covered under warranty. At this point, you're ready to clean up your brakes. You can go ahead and grab your isopropyl alcohol, put it on a rag or paper towel, and you can go ahead and wipe the brake. Once everything is back together, you can go ahead and place your handlebar back to the position where it was and tie in with your 4mm Allen key. Once tightened, you're ready to take it on a ride. And that's it.